Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are happy and fine. Yes, beta. Today we will continue our science lesson number 6, plants preparing and storing food. And today's our topic is how plant use their food. As we know that leaves of plant make food for whole plant, means leaf is the kitchen of plant. And earlier we also discussed about this, that every living thing like human, like plants or animals, any living thing, the smallest is made up of cell, means the smallest part of living thing is called cell. Or we can say the living thing is made up of cell. And we also discussed about matter and non-living thing, means matter is like soil, liquid and gases. These are non-living thing, and the smallest part of non-living thing is called molecule. So this is the difference between living and non-living things, smallest part. So continue with this. The cell is the smallest part of a plant and every living thing. So the food which is prepared by leaves is sent to all part of plant, and these cells also use food to give energy to the plant, so that the plant get energy from this food which is prepared in the leaves. And the energy from which the cells also get repaired from this food which it get from plant leaves. So matlab repairment of this damaged cell means, as in human, if we fell down and some cuts and any damage, our body also get damaged. As it is, if the plant damage means any part of plant is damaged, that is also repaired by this food which is made by leaves. So the plant useful for use this food in the form of sugar, means the plant uses this food in the form of sugar called glucose. As we take food, chapatis and what, but plant get that food in the form of sugar, and that is called glucose. The excess food that remain, means unused for plant, which is not used by plant, is stored in parts like fruit, seeds, leaves, roots, stem, which we are eaten, which human beings and plants are eaten. As the example is given there in this book. Fruit, we eat fruit. Sometimes we eat seeds of plant, we eat leaves of plants, we eat stems like sugar cane, like potatoes. We also eat root like carrot, a radish, this type of fruit, it is called root. So मतलब जो part जब food बन गया plants के अंदर, और जो उसका यूज नहीं हो रहा है फूड का, वो स्टोर कर लेता है इन पार्ट्स में, मीन्स द एक्सेस, द अनयूज्ड फूड ऑफ प्लांट इज यूज्ड बाय ह्यूमन और एनिमल, कि जो उसके यूज नहीं हो रहा वो हम और एनिमल्स यूज कर रहे हैं उस पार्ट को, प्लांट के जो प्रिपेयर है फूड, उस पार्ट को हम लोग यूज करते हैं. Yes, continue this lesson topic. Now next topic is yes, our next topic is some unusual plants. Means some almost plants have leaves, maximum plants have leaves to prepare their food, but few plants, means desert plants we can say, do not have leaves. They are having thorns on the body in space of leaves. So like cactus plant, it is a good example of this. In cactus plant, the preparation of food, means the process of photosynthesis, is gone in the stem, because the stem of cactus is green in color, so chlorophyll is present in the part of stem, and the stem prepare food for the cactus plant. Because they are not having any leaf, they are having thorns in space of leaf, but the green color present in the stem helps to prepare food for the cactus plants. We can say the process of photosynthesis is gone in the stem in the cactus plants, or other plants which are not having leaves, and they prepare food. Means if they are having green color stem, so green color, mean anywhere green color is there in the plant, so that part is ready to prepare food. So next is there mushroom. Mushroom is also a plant which is not having any green color. It is not having green color in whole plant, so they depend on dead and decaying matter present in the soil. मतलब जो सड़ी हुई चीज़ें हैं जो हमने फेंक दी, या we can say that जो leaves सूख जाती हैं, the leaves which are drying up and mixed with soil, so this mushroom get their food from there. तो ये मशरूम अपना फूड वहाँ से, if any animal is dead and mixed with soil, so the mushroom plant get their food, means suck their food from soil, from these dead and decaying matters. So we can say the mushroom is not having any green part in its body, so it is not able to prepare its food, and it depends on dead and decaying matter. So it is non-green plant. Because mushroom is not having any leaf and having green color, so it is not able to prepare its food. But some plants having red and yellow leaves, red and yellow, and little part of green is there, like croton plant example is given. So the red, yellow and little bit green color is there in that leaf. So these type of plants make their food from this little green color part, because this green color of leaf, बेशक वो थोड़ा सा ही है, is having chlorophyll in them. So this chlorophyll help to prepare food for the plant. Means the process of photosynthesis is gone in these type of plants also, पर उसमें खाना कम बनता है, because the green color means photosynthesis less in that part. So preparation of food is also less, means, but it is sufficient for its plants. But these type of plant not give any extra fruit, roots and any stored food we can say, which we can use, but they survive themselves. अपने आप तो वो survive कर जाते हैं, पर extra वो खाना नहीं बनाते हैं जो हम खा सकें. वो ये छोटे आप shrubs देखते हैं, ये जो झाड़ी वाले होते हैं कुछ plants, तो वो बस फूल या उनके लीव्स ही सुंदर सुंदर होती हैं, पर वो हम उनको खाते नहीं हैं. मतलब वो it is not useful for us. it is only for their use. So जो green color थोड़ा बहुत भी है अगर किसी भी plant में, तो वो अपना उसकी लीफ में तो वो अपना प्रिपेयर बना कर लेता है फूड, बिकॉज क्लोरोफिल इज प्रेजेंट इन दैट part of plant, and the photosynthesis process is gone there, and the plant able to make their food. So croton plant is the example of this, which is having red, green and yellow color leaves, and the green, little bit green color is there, so it helps this plant to make food for it. It is able to make food. Next is activity 1 is given in our book, how to test a green leaf for the presence of starch. हम कैसे पता कर सकते हैं कि green leaves के अंदर starch होता है. Okay, so how can we know the leaf having starch in it? So how can we use? We can pluck the leaf. एक leaf तोड़ेंगे which is green in color, and we bleach the leaf in boiling water. After boiling this leaf, we can keep it in alcohol also. Afterward we can bleach these leaf in alcohol also. Then afterward the color of leaf is loses. It is now the leaf lose its color. Then we put this leaf in a flat dish, in any flat surface, and put some drops of iodine in it. Then what we can see, the leaf turn into blue black color. So the leaf turn its color, it change its color in blue black. So this shows that the starch is present in the leaf. Because of starch, it turns its color in blue black. So जब भी green color की leaf को हम boil करके water में और alcohol में bleach करके अच्छे से, when we put it some iodine drops, then what we see, the color of leaf will change. It will change into blue black color का हो जाएगा, and this shows the starch is present in the leaf. Okay, now next activity is how can we know, means how can we show the sunlight is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. कि जो plants अपना food बनाते हैं उसमें उस process को photosynthesis बोलते हैं. बिना sunlight के वो कैसे नहीं कर सकता photosynthesis process. So first of all I want to explain one more thing, that if we are having, if we take a pot, means 2 pots, one we keep it in the sunlight, and second one if we keep it in the dark room where no sunlight will come. So what will happen after 2-3 days, what will you see? The plant which is inside the room, which you kept in the dark, is become dead, because the process of photosynthesis is not going on that plant, because it can't get sunlight, so it will not able to make it food. And if the plant is not able to make it food, how can it survive? It will be die. So the pot which you kept in the sunlight, it will grow. Why it will grow? Because it get proper sunlight, air, water, so it will survive and make their food, and it will prepare its food, so it will survive. One more thing is there, one more example is there. If you take one pot and put something, keep it in the carton, and make one hole little bit in the carton, in one corner of the carton. So what will happen if you put the pot inside the carton and put a little hole in the carton? So after a few days, what will you see? From that hole, the plant will come out from that hole. Why the plant come out from that hole? अगर हम किसी पॉट को किसी कार्टन मतलब गत्ते के डब्बे में या ऐसे किसी डब्बे में रख देते हैं, किसी भी आप टिन के में या उसमें रख दें, तो और एक छोटा सा एक होल कर दें उसके साइड में या ऊपर की तरफ, तो आप क्या देखेंगे कि आफ्टर फ्यू डेज द प्लांट विल ग्रो दैट साइड. वो होल से बाहर निकल जाएगा. होल से बाहर क्यों निकलेगा? वाई इट विल कम फ्रॉम दैट होल? बिकॉज द प्लांट मूव्स टूवर्ड्स द सनलाइट. क्योंकि उस होल में से ही सनलाइट आएगी, तो उस सनलाइट की तरफ ये प्लांट ग्रो करेगा. क्योंकि जैसे आपको आई वॉज ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन दिस, द रूट्स go deep and deeper inside the soil to search the water. As it is, the plants, the leaves of plant, the branches of plant moves towards the sun and it grow towards the sun. वो उसी तरफ को grow करेगी. And after few days you can see the plant will come out from that hole. Why it will come out from that hole? Because it gets sunlight from that hole and it moves, because this is the quality of plant that it always moves towards the sunlight to get sunlight to make food for it, yeah, we can say for the process of photosynthesis. So this plant move towards the sun. As earlier we know that the plants have stomata, the leaves have stomata inside them, which help the leaf to make food for that plant. So what things they need to grow, the plant leaves need to make food? Number one, sunlight. 2, air. Air means carbon dioxide from environment, and water from soil, minerals and sunlight. So these things are necessary for preparing food, or we can say for the process of photosynthesis. So the plants grow every time in the direction of sun. If it can't take food from other side, but it will go towards the direction of sun to take sunlight for the preparation of food, or we can say for the process of photosynthesis. Now next is this, come to this activity, second activity. In this activity we can show that the sunlight is important for photosynthesis. How can we show it? We can take a plant and what will we do? We can cover one leaf or a portion of leaf with black paper. As I explained you that we put a pot in the dark a room, or one pot in a light of sun. So as it is, we can take a leaf and cover the leaf with black paper. Dark black means we can cover it with 2-3 layers of black paper, so that the leaf can't get that portion of leaf can't get sunlight. So little only थोड़ी portion पे ही लगाएंगे, and after few days, what will after 2 or 3 days, we will pluck that leaf and bleach it in boiling water, and after boiling water in alcohol also, and keep it in a cold water. After removing the alcohol and hot water, we will put some iodine drop. Keep the leaf in the dish, flat dish, and put some iodine drops on it. When we put some iodine drops on the leaf, that covered portion does not turn blue black. बाकी सारा पोर्शन ब्लू ब्लैक हो जाएगा जैसे हमने ऊपर प्रोसेस में भी किया था, बट जो कवर्ड पोर्शन था डज नॉट टर्न ब्लू ब्लैक, while the other portion of leaf turn into blue black. This shows that the covered portion of leaf does not have starch. So if it is not having starch, so how can it turn into blue black? अभी हमने फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी पढ़ी थी कि if the leaf is having starch, then it turn into blue black color. But in this activity, we covered the leaf with black paper and boil it in water and in alcohol and in cold water, and afterward we put some iodine drops on it. After putting iodine drops it, what we can see, what we can observe that the covered portion does not turn blue black. Rest all the portion which gets sunlight turns blue black. So this shows the covered portion of leaf does not have starch. That is why it is not turned into blue black color. So why? Because it could not receive sunlight and carry out photosynthesis to produce starch. So we can rest portion of a leaf is producing food, means photosynthesis process is going rest of leaf, but that covered portion does not have starch, so it will not able to prepare food, and it will not turn into blue black color. So in this activity, this shows the leaf of plants need sunlight to prepare it food, means in the process of photosynthesis the sunlight is very important. As we know in earlier classes also, in second, third, we know what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process from which the plant make their food. The next, which things are needed to make food for the plant, means while the process of photosynthesis, the water, sunlight, minerals, air needs, and chlorophyll. And chlorophyll also means green color is necessary. These things are necessary for preparing of food for plant, means for the process of photosynthesis. So in this, the process of photosynthesis is gone in the maximum plants in the leaves, because the leaves have green color, means chlorophyll is present in leaf. So preparation of food is going in the leaf. But some plants, we already learn just now, some plants are not having leaves, like cactus. So their food is prepared in its stem, because the stem of cactus is green in color and the chlorophyll is present in that stem. So the preparation of food, means the process of photosynthesis, is gone in the stem. in cactus plants. But some plants are having red, blue, red, yellow and little bit green, means red, yellow, green color. So that type of plants are also able to prepare their food. The process of photosynthesis gone in that type of leaf also, because of little bit green color is there. क्योंकि उसके अंदर थोड़ा बहुत भी ग्रीन कलर है, the green means the chlorophyll is present in that leaf. So the preparation of food means the process of photosynthesis is gone in that leaf also. So the plant is able to, that type of plant is also like croton plant, that type of plant is also able to make their food. But some other plants, as unusual plants, we can say mushroom, molds and mushroom, these type of plants are also there. They are not having green color, so they depend on the dead and decaying matters. They do not prepare their food, means because they are not having chlorophyll in them, the process of photosynthesis will not move in this type of leaves. So these type of plants grow in the soil. From there they can absorb dead and decaying matters, and they can take food from there. So beta, what we learn about in this plant means the plants is also made up of cells. Cells से बना हुआ होता है, and the cells use the food prepared by leaf and get energy. Plant also need energy. As we need energy, we eat food and we get energy from food and work, ready to work. As it is, plants also and animals also, every living thing needs energy to work, because plant also work. It is also preparing food for each or everyone, because we are also depend on plant. So the food prepared by a plant is used to repair damaged cells of plant. Plant also use their food to repair their damaged cells, and plant also useful for us because we eat the plants, whole part of plants. In some plant we eat root, in some plants we eat leaves, fruits, flowers, means all part of plant. We eat the all part of plant, and they from there the plant use food in the form of sugar. In this, the plant use food in the form of sugar called glucose. So excess food is stored which we are use. Yes beta, so we learn about this. In this topic we know about the plants, how plants are useful and how they make their food, and how the presence of photosynthesis is necessary, sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis, and starch is present in the leaf. We know these things in this lesson, so we will continue this lesson in next session. So revise it. Till then, bye.